Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing an Iceland food shopping haul unboxing with you guys today, and I'm going to show you guys what you can get for under £100. This was actually £60 and I got over 40 items. Yes, I did, because I like to pick up some deals, good bargains from Iceland. And this is not sponsored because I paid my own money, but because I've got 4 boys, it's Easter time. I'm just getting a few snacks for the week or so. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but yeah, I got some few bits and bobs. So as you guys can see, I got some Greg stuff. I got a couple pizzas, but these sausage rolls are amazing. They're good value, good tasting, just like Greg's. All you have to do is pop them in the oven. I also picked up these Goodfellas pizza pockets. I tried one today. It's so tasty. The kids love it. I'm definitely going to be picking up some more of these. All it takes 2 minutes in the microwave and you get a nice tasting little pizza wrap. Right, it's so good. I think they come in different flavors. I'm not sure, but you can definitely check out your Iceland to find out. And I also got a Goodfellas deep pan meat feast pizza because it was on offer. So I thought, why not try out this new deal that they got going on right now, and it looks good. So if you guys want to know any more information about these stuff, definitely, as I said, check out your Iceland because you might have different deals going on or online. So I definitely love shopping online because things are really tight right now going in the store. I went ahead and picked up these mini deep dish pepperoni pizzas. They look quite tasty. I haven't tried these in years, and they are part of the 3 for £5 deal. You can always buy these separately, but I thought, why not try out them as part of the deal. If you like deals, you definitely need to shop around, especially if you live in London, the UK. You definitely need to try out different shops, and this way it's going to help you to save money and just try out different things. So I decided to try out these garlic and cheese bites as well because they're part of the 3 for £5. They might go well with the pizzas or anything else I've got here. Next is Twister. It's definitely needed when it comes up to spring summertime, like whether or not I'm pregnant or not. The kids love it, I love it. It's definitely needed. Ice lolly season is coming up. Definitely gonna love trying out new Iceland ice lollies because they got so much different ones. And I decided to get some needed meat. I don't always eat meat, but I decided to get some lamb chops. I haven't had lamb chops in a while, so these were 3 for £8. And I also got some other stuff in the 3 for £8, which I'll show you in a second. I went ahead and picked up 10 chicken fingers. I've never tried these. I've been seeing them for a while, and I definitely will let you guys know if you want to know in the next video or something if it tastes good, or you can comment and let me know how they taste. But I'm gonna try these out with the kids because they don't like fish fingers. They do like chicken nuggets though, so let's try out this with them and see what it is saying. Next, I got crispy chicken tempura. These little bites or cutlets, I don't know what you want to call them, but they're like little chicken breasts. They're really good. You can always do this on your own, but you know, Iceland is convenient and super easy, so all you have to do is pop them in the oven. They're super good, and these are good as well. These are the little dippers, which are like chicken nuggets, and as I said, they're on offer right now, so I decided to pick up a few of them. Got one of each, and yeah, the kids will love these as a quick lunch or snack. So yeah, definitely try out Bed's Eye. If not, Iceland has their own branded stuff, which I do like, their own chicken nuggets and stuff like that. It's really tasty. And I also pick up some mini chicken breast fillets. I normally get the bigger ones or frozen ones, but I decided to go for the fresh stuff instead of frozen stuff because I want to cook them quicker this time round. And I got my favorite bagel. I used to eat these all the time. I got the cinnamon and raisin ones, and I just like to eat them with butter, toasted with butter, or whatever you want to put in there. Everybody eats them differently, and I like to just eat mine plain with butter. It's really good. So next I got cookies or biscuits, whatever you want to call them, custard creams, or any type of biscuits is always needed in my house. The kids love them. They're always hunting for them, and yeah, I do like it sometimes with a cup of tea or coffee. Yeah, so I got a couple of those. They're really, really good. There's a value on Iceland or in Iceland or on their website. You can definitely pick up some biscuits. We have two for £3 easy peelers. Love fruits and veggies in my house, so I'm always re-upping on those. The kids love their oranges, and yeah, I'm always checking if there's any bruised or battered ones, because yeah, there's no point getting those in your shopping. So I picked up some mini corn on the cobs, because I think it would be definitely needed as a snack or as a side dish. If the kids don't want veggies that day, they could definitely have corn. All right, so I definitely love Iceland meatballs. Okay, they're really, really tasty anywhere you buy them, actually. But if you don't want to make your own, they're really, really super easy and convenient. So these are part of the 3 for 8, and I decided to pick that up with the lamb and the chicken. So I have some meat for the week or so, which I definitely think will last for a family of 4 to 5, or whichever amount of family you have. You can definitely freeze these and keep them for a longer time. I got some nice biscuits. These are like coconut biscuits as well, because they're part of the deal. And I got the much needed bourbon biscuits, or bourbon biscuits, people call it differently. It's just like chocolate sandwich biscuits, and they're really, really good. So I got 2 packs of those, because as I said, they run out quite quickly, and the kids love snacking on biscuits in my house. So yeah, I hide these and I keep them stashed away, because if not, they'll be finished too quick. And then I have these strawberry tubes. I didn't see the multi variety ones or the variety pack ones, so I just picked up whatever I could find. These are only £1. Then I got, this is part of the 2 for £3 with the oranges. I decided to get some grapes. I don't like seedless grapes all the time, but if that's what they have at that time, that's what I'll get. I much prefer the ones with seeds, and they're bigger and juicier. But yeah, there's always deals in Iceland, so you just have to look around and see what you can find and what discounts you can get. So this discount, or this bargain I should say, was like 50p. This went down to like 50p because Easter is almost over. So I decided to try out these 8 chocolate cake bars, and I hope the kids like them, because they do like chocolate sometimes. I didn't get much chocolate eggs. I only got 3 chocolate eggs for my kids, because one is a baby and he doesn't need any chocolate eggs. So yeah, we'll try out these little cakes and see what they are saying. As I said, they were a bargain for 50p, so yeah, I got 1 pack of those. Next, I got these dumpling mix. Love them. All you have to do is add some water, and they're good with a stew, whatever you want to put it with. Baby, this is so good. And yeah, I think these were also 50p. So another bargain from Iceland. It might be more money or more expensive in other shops, but I really like shopping at Iceland. You find great stuff in there, especially nourishment. They have many different flavors, but because I've never really fancied the strawberry one, I decided to try it out. And I got some tomato ketchup because it was £1, so why not? Really like this brand, even though other brands do taste just the same. So it doesn't really matter to me what kind of ketchup I eat, as long as I can get my hands on it. Then I got some much needed antibacterial floor wipes, because my house is mostly flooring and not carpet, so I like to make sure it's clean for the babies and the kids, and yeah, kill the germs, remove dirt and all of that, and we need this right now. So this was very good for the price. I think it was £1 or £2 for all of this. And yeah, I'll definitely be getting some more from Iceland very, very soon. If you want, you can definitely check out your Iceland online, because they have many different types of wipes you can choose from, but I decided to get this one because it's much thicker. You don't have to go with the name brand ones. These ones are just as good. All right, and yeah, your house will still be smelling fresh and it still be clean, and yeah, I love these. Really love the smell of these. Definitely try these ones out. And I decided to try this one out because it looks new. It's a Vimto, no added sugar, fruit squash, and this one is mango, strawberry and pineapple. I just tried it out as well with the pizza pocket, and I'm telling you now, it is super nice. So if you have any idea or wanted to know what it tastes like, I'm telling you now, it's nice. So to get that for your kids if you want to try out something new for them. And I decided to pick up a 6 pint of milk because yeah, the kids love porridge and they love cereal, and yeah, I make multiple things with milk. Sometimes I don't always use oats milk and coconut milk. I like to use whole milk sometimes. With this I decided to get some sweet and crunchy veggies, and always check the date because sometimes supermarkets send you stuff that's out of date very soon, so you might need to use those very quickly. So yeah, salad is definitely needed, always needed in my house. So what's next is let me tell you guys, I was contemplating because I wasn't sure if I should get frozen or fresh, and I decided to pick up the frozen ones because I barely use the fresh ones when they start getting too soggy or when they start going off. So I thought, instead of freezing the fresh ones, why not try out frozen ones? And I decided to also pick up some pomegranate seeds, which will be all going in my smoothies and shakes and stuff like that I always make. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be loving this because I didn't even know Iceland do pomegranate frozen seeds. I love these so much. I grew up eating them, so I really enjoy seeing a variety of stuff now you can get on Iceland, on the website or in store. I really love Iceland for the variety. Like, don't sleep on Iceland. And we also need the much needed crisps, so I got these for the babies and the kids. These go out very quickly in the house, they don't last a day or two. Okay, so I got Wotsits, and yeah, they're really good to snack on and they're low calorie. And I also got the Quavers. The Quavers is also low calorie. These are all cheesy snacks. If you don't like cheese snacks, Iceland's got a variety of different things you can choose from, but I decided to get these two because these are the kids' favorites. So yeah, Quavers and Wotsits and juice is something that babies and kids always love for some reason, but they're really reasonable at Iceland. So I had to always pick those up whenever I see them. So yeah, for that's what I'm seeing and picked up this time. I definitely enjoyed shopping in Iceland because they always have some deal, whether it be for Easter, summer, spring, Christmas, there's always something going on. And I definitely love picking up their juices. I've got 2 apple juices, I've got a lemonade, and I also got a orange juice, which is not shown in this video. But I definitely want to try out the lemonade juice because I've never tried it, and I thought if I blended the lemonade juice with the frozen strawberries, it will give it such a nice taste. And yeah, I really can't wait to let you guys know or see more videos like this. If you want to see any more Iceland videos or unboxings or shopping for family on a budget, I'm here for you. I'm your girl, I'm your lady. So please comment, let me know what you want to see. I'm definitely going to be cooking a lot of stuff, so stay tuned for those. I'm going to be doing mukbang, so if you want to see what I eat in a day or anything like, oh, should I eat Iceland foods all day, I have so many ideas when it comes to my shopping and my hauls. Love doing these kind of videos for you guys. But yeah, keep watching, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, share my videos with any families out there in the UK that wants to know where to shop, where it has good value food and food that is gonna last you for a while and gonna save you some bucks. So try out Iceland, you won't regret it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, don't forget to check out my channel for other videos. But in the meantime, have a great Easter, guys, and I love you all. Stay blessed, stay safe.